I always loved flying. तो मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ फिल्म के ज़रिए भी और हवाई जहाज़.
क्वेश्चन फॉर यू आयुष्मान. इससे पहले और कुछ ये आप लड़का कब बन गए? इन्होंने कहा कि मैं लड़का हूँ, वो तो ठीक है लेकिन सीरियसली फ्रॉम अ मैन टू अ लड़का, ये क्या हो गया?
I don't know यार. I think ये फिल्म की लुक भी है एक तरह से. इनफैक्ट I'm wearing my glasses and my hairdo is different in this film. Or I'm proud to be a part of this project. I think Vibhu Puri is a prodigy. You have to watch his short film also, which was nominated for Student Academy Awards. I think he's a great linguist. जिस भाषा में I think जो हम तरस जाते हैं सुनने के लिए हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा में, वो आपको भाषा सुनने को मिलेगी. इनके डायलॉग्स कमाल के हैं. ये I think he's 34-35, a Punjabi boy from Delhi, but he can read and write in Urdu because he loves that language. तो आपको वो.
But out here we are here to talk about the film.
Of course, it is about the film. It is about the film. The language in the film is, I think, the purer form of what we normally speak. I think it's amazing, and he's done an incredible job in the film.
नहीं, तो coming back to my question, we are very proud of this gentleman here. How did you become a boy?
यार मैं लड़का ही तो था शुरू से.
Was Vicky Donor a man or a boy?
He was a man with the kind of work he was up to, yeah? So,
probably I've lost weight and maybe that's why I'm looking young.
You know, and Marathi,
Like
that was
15.
was that really you?
Of course. Like मुला सगड़ा समझता है. 5 years in Bombay, but I've understood. I can understand everything. I mean, जिस जहाँ पे आप रहते हैं, ये मेरी कर्म भूमि है और यहाँ की भाषा मुझे समझ आनी चाहिए. और इस फिल्म के लिए उसके लिए बहुत काम किया है. Our co-writer Saurabh Bhave, he's a Maharashtrian and he's done a tremendous job. I think he was there on the set throughout as to help me with the diction.
Pallavi, it's fabulous to see you in another avatar doing this, you know, dance with sort of feel. I want to ask you कि आपके लिए subject कितना exciting था, because let's face it, आपने right from Karan Johar canvas to Madhur Bhandarkar, and now this in between realism and, you know, somewhere kind of fiction story is become a part of your bouquet as well.
I think I was very excited when Vibhu came to me with this film, because first of all it's based on a historical subject, and it's something which is very rare to be able to do as an actor, female actor in this industry so early in your career. So I was very honored that Vibhu thought that I was somewhat capable or capable enough to pull off something which has to take people to another world, which has to transport people. And that's something which happens very rarely in one's lifetime as an actor. So I'm just very grateful for the opportunity, and I feel very honored that I got to work with these two guys.
You seem very adventurous. How close have you come to flying yourself? आपने क्या किया है उड़ने के लिए?
नहीं, ये लोग अपने लिए रख रहे थे. The boys were doing all the flying and all the Marathi speaking. Every time I tried to do something, they're like, नहीं तुम नहीं बोलोगे, मतलब ये बोलेगा. इसको अच्छे रिव्यूज चाहिए.
नहीं मतलब एक्सक्यूज मी, आप तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आती हैं जहाँ पे वहाँ पे हर जगह पे यही एडवेंचर हो रहा है, तो
हाँ जी,
आपने उड़ने के मामले में क्या किया है?
मैं बहुत प्लेन पे चढ़ती हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया, बॉम्बे और मेलबर्न के बीच में जाने के लिए. बट अदर देन दैट, बट आई विल से दैट एवरी टाइम आई एम ऑन अ फ्लाइट नाउ, आई हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, because I understand what we take it for granted in today's day and age, that we're able to get somewhere from A to B very quickly. And being on this project, it made me realize that how recent it was that this invention occurred. And I used to love a film growing up called Those Magnificent Men and Their Flying Machines. And it was something that I loved watching, and it felt like I was on a set very similar to that, where we're actually at that point where civilization is changing.
Ayushman, आपने actually एक article मैंने आज पढ़ा कि आप you're going to learn flying after this film. Is it because of the film, truly tell me, या आपके कीड़े जो बहुत सारे?
I think there's this aspiration in our country to fly. In fact, आप किसी भी मिडिल क्लास इंसान से पूछेंगे या किसी भी लो मिडिल क्लास इंसान से पूछेंगे तो यार एक बार प्लेन में बैठना है. आई थिंक इस बार we live in an era where I think everybody can afford an air ticket, but when I think in 80s 90s मुझे लगता है कि एयरपोर्ट के बाहर लोग ऐसे खड़े हो जाते थे, जब एयरप्लेन उड़ता तो ऐसे देखते थे. So I think with that fascination in mind, I always loved flying. तो मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ फिल्म के ज़रिए भी और हवाई जहाज़ के ज़रिए भी.
आपकी पहली फ्लाइट आपको याद है जो आपने ली थी?
Of course, it was pretty late. In fact, I was in 11th standard, 12th standard, और मैं कर्नाटका PMT के कर्नाटका CET के engineering medical के exams देने गया था Bangalore. That was my first time. I think all the students who were traveling there, they were traveling for the first time by air. और जैसे ही flight take off हुआ, everybody started clapping inside the flight.
How did the exam
So
go?
funny. Exam I didn't clear. Yeah.
Sanjeev ji, please join us right here as we're about to unveil something very, very anokha. Are you both ready to do this for everybody
Yes,
here?
of course.
Go
I
for
think everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we have another character or part of our film amongst us today, and we would like to welcome that character on stage to be with us because it's very special and integral to what we've done here.
And before that, I think we should invite Naman on stage. He's
Where is
also
he?
playing a great character.
Where is he?
Naman.
Naman.
Naman Jain. How are you?
Shitambar.
Somewhere the film is about 3 boys in the film. One is Mithunda, the second one is Ayushman, and the third one is him. One after the other. That's the 3 generations of the film, actually.
All right, and now presenting that character. Are we ready? Are you ready?